hands on me.
Can I
Don't put hands on me. You don't have to understand nothing.
Right, you cannot just fly a drone.
Yeah,
I want to understand. Listen.
In this episode, we dive into a tense confrontation outside the Edmonton police station, where a drone operator finds himself detained, physically handled, and caught in a web of confusing legal claims. We'll break down each moment, revealing how officers overstep boundaries, misapply the law, and disregard basic rights. This case perfectly illustrates why knowing your freedoms and standing firm to protect them matters now more than ever. Let's jump straight in.
I'm just flying a drone.
What?
Oh, I just like flying drones.
Yeah, not outside the police station.
So who are you?
I'm a police officer.
Oh, I'm really sorry.
Okay. Police station.
So who are you?
I'm a police officer.
Oh, I'm really sorry.
Okay.
I'm really, really sorry about that. I should have known better.
No. Sorry.
So what's your name?
My name's Beth.
Okay. So should I not be doing that?
I don't think it's a great idea. Would you want it outside your house?
I wouldn't mind.
Yeah.
It's a little thing.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take it up, all right?
Uh, okay, well, I think someone's going to come and get you.
There's really no need.
We open with an unsettling encounter. The officer immediately declares that filming isn't allowed and insists she'll get others involved. It's a subtle yet telling moment. Her tone, posture, and quick assumption of wrongdoing set the stage for what follows. No legal citation, no conversation, just a warning and a threat to escalate.
So who are you?
I'm a police officer and you're
Are you?
doing this under the police station, so why are you
Oh,
here?
I'm really sorry.
Well, you know that it's a police station, so why are you doing this in here?
Yeah.
Yeah, you shouldn't be.
Oh, why not? So who are you guys? Like, you're all in plain clothes.
Hang on, right.
What do you mean, hang on? Can you
just
no,
wait.
get your hand off me. What
Can
are
we
you
call a
doing?
unit, please?
Hold on. What are you doing? What's going on here? Well, let me land it then.
What is it? Yeah, but bring it down now. No, I don't. Because you're looking into the backyard of a police station.
What, is that not allowed?
No.
Why not? Why is it not allowed? Can we all slow down a sec? What's going on? Can you identify yourself?
I'm PC Emily O'Connor.
Emily O'Connor. You know you just put hands on me. You shouldn't really do that without identifying yourself. You could be a civilian.
Yeah.
I just identified myself that I'm police.
Yeah, but you're just a
Someone
right.
call
You're
the
just,
So are the girls.
Can you get some uniform police here, please?
yeah, we don't need any uniform police. No, I'm leaving, by the way. I'm leaving. No, I'm leaving. I'm not.
No,
what do you
you're not
mean I'm
leaving
What, am
now.
I detained? What's going
Well,
on
you're
then?
not leaving
No,
now.
I'm leaving. Are you detaining me? Mind up, sorry.
Well, you just run this into me.
We've only said that you shouldn't be having drones on around the police station.
No, but it's been filmed in the back of the police station.
No, I'm leaving.
No, you're not leaving.
So what are you detaining me under?
What follows is some of the most incompetent policing imaginable. As the auditor tries to walk away, he simply asks if he's being detained. Instead of a clear answer, they dodge the question, as if due process is a foreign term. Not one officer cites a legal power. Not one provides a reason. They stand there, offering nothing of substance. This isn't policing. It's ego in uniform. Under Section 2 of PACE, officers are legally required to state what law they're acting under and why. Instead, we're met with silence, contradictions, and an unlawful detention.
What's going on?
Is anyone calling the
So what am I detained under? Otherwise, I'm
No, 'cause
leaving.
we need to know what footage you've got.
No,
on
you don't
your
need to
phone
look.
and
You don't need to look at
Yeah,
anything.
because
No,
you're
you
filming
don't.
the police station.
And I can film it. No, sorry, I'm leaving. Get your hand off me. Don't touch me. Get your hand off me. Are you detaining me under a power? What's going on?
That's mine.
Don't take. Why are you taking photos of me? Am I detained or not?
I didn't call.
We need to get someone
You just
to
assaulted
calm
me
down.
numerous times without even
did?
detaining me. So what's going on?
Who did?
You did. You just tried to grab me.
Because you're trying to run away with us. You
I'm not trying to run away. I've asked you a question. Am I
did?
detained or not? You're saying, oh, you can't leave. You're surrounding me. You're trying to stop me.
Well, you were outside police station.
I can
With
be
your
outside the
club.
police
No, you
station.
can't.
Yes, of course I can.
Unless you have a police business, which is at the front and not at
I
the
don't have a
back.
police business. I don't need
Well,
to
so
have.
why are you
Because
here
I'm
with
allowed
your
to fly it.
drone?
I'm allowed to fly it.
No, you're not.
Of course I'm allowed to fly it.
No,
I am allowed
you're
to
not.
fly it.
Go to the park and fly it, but
No, I
not
want to
over
fly
the
it here.
police station.
You don't own the airspace, do you?
Neither are you. I said go to the park, not
What do you
over
mean,
the
go
police
to the park? Are
station.
you my mum? Like, I don't take orders from you, sorry.
And it only goes downhill from there. One officer confidently claims the drone isn't allowed to fly there, without quoting a single regulation or referencing the Civil Aviation Authority's drone code. The DJI Mini 2 falls under the sub 250G category, which means it's legal to fly in most public areas, including near buildings, as long as it poses no safety or airspace risks. Yet here they are, treating it like a national security threat. This kind of uninformed policing erodes public trust. Bluffing through the law might win compliance, but it loses credibility.
And stop filming me.
You just took a photo of me. You're talking about things that you don't know nothing about, like. Why are you all bugging out like this? Just relax.
No, I'm not gonna relax.
No, you just tried to. You lot have just put hands on me numerous times.
Over the police
I can't have it over the police station.
Can't.
Who are you? Can you identify yourself?
I already did.
No, you didn't.
Times.
No, you didn't. Who are you? Who are you?
Can we have a uniform officer in here, please?
No, you lot are moving mad. I'm leaving. You still haven't told me what I'm detaining them. You put hands on me numerous times. I'm not very happy with. I'm not very happy. I'm not. Well, of course I can run away. You haven't.
So agitated?
I'm getting agitated because you lot have surrounded me.
Asked you a question. Why are you
No. I don't feel comfortable right now. I feel very scared. I feel very scared. You lot surrounded me.
You're scared. You're pathetic.
Why am I pathetic? You lot have grabbed me, put hands on me.
You've tried to run away when we've asked.
What do you mean try to? I can run. It's a free country. If I want to run, I can run. All right, see ya. If I want to run, I can run. Guess what? I can walk where I want. How about that?
That's fine. We've got your photo.
You got my photo. Now what? No, I need to make a complaint certainly about you and about this lady putting hands on me and that.
Of course you do.
What do you mean? Of course I do. Just put hands on me.
Well, you would.
Oh, what? Because I flew a drone? What?
Yeah,
it's illegal.
over
It's
the
illegal
police-
activity.
yeah,
It's
it
illegal
is.
activity. I'm going to do it again.
Do you have a license to
Yes.
fly this? Oh,
Yes,
do
I
you?
do. I have an operator ID. You don't need a license to fly a drone that's under 250 grams. It's 250 grams, so I can fly it wherever I like.
Well, we need a police officer. We don't need a PCSO in here.
That's very
You guys
rude,
can't
actually.
do really nothing.
No, but we've asked him to call. Asked her to call it in.
Look, there's nothing like funny going on here.
But what
I
was
need
the
to.
reason?
Can you write me down your collar number, please, so I can make a complaint?
What was the reasoning behind flying it over? a
Because I
police
want to
station?
do it.
But why?
It's my freedom to do it. I'd like to
What
do
do you
it.
want to
It's
look
not.
at? Do you not know that that's like a terrorism threat and things
No, I
like that?
don't think I can see all that on Google Earth as well. Yeah. So it doesn't really make any sense. So I'm going to get the drone back up now. I don't want to be interfered with again. If we can just leave it at that, that would be great.
No, you can't because it's the police station. So I don't want you to fly over the police station.
No, I'm going to get it back up right now. Put it away because I don't know what you lot are going to do.
Go to the park with that.
I don't want to do it in the park.
Oh,
I want
you
to have a
don't,
look
but you
inside
want to
there.
do it
Yeah, I want to look
here.
in there. Yeah.
Okay, then so we can get a uniform unit. You can get nicked for it.
You get nicked for what? What's the crime?
Yeah, for under terrorist act.
Yeah.
There
What
you go.
section? Which section?
This part is almost comical. She can't even name the section of the terrorism act she's quoting, clearly unaware of its contents. Yet she tosses around the word terrorism like it's a catch-all threat. This sort of clueless intimidation isn't just unprofessional. It's an abuse of power. Officers who rely on fear instead of facts only expose their own ignorance. And in this case, she makes herself look utterly foolish.
Stop recording me.
What's the what? Because you're looking like a fool. You don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, because
You're just playing with your hair and that, man. Why didn't you answer some questions? So which section of the terrorism act? Is it section 43? See, the difference between me and you, I know what I'm talking about. You don't.
do you now?
Of course I know
So
what I'm talking about. Would
why
I
are
come
you
here and
here?
film if I didn't know what I was talking about? Would I come and do this if I didn't know what I was talking about? You're talking about things that you don't know nothing about. You're looking a bit silly in the process. I suggest you just leave me to do what I need to do, and we just leave it at that. Forget this happened. But I'm still definitely going to make a complaint about you because you just tried to touch me and grab me. If I didn't jerk away, there's no telling what might have happened. So
yeah, clearly.
would you two mind identifying yourselves?
My shoulder number's right there.
This is not professional though, is it? Could you say your name?
No, we don't say it.
My name,
You don't have to identify.
My name's on here.
Yeah,
And
it's
my
just
shoulder
very
number's there.
unprofessional. Is the whole station like this? Very poor. Have you got a designation card?
That's what these are for.
That's what you need. That's all you need.
That's what you don't need a designation card that lists what police powers you have. You don't need that either.
I've got my designation card on me.
Alright.
Both PCSOs fail to present their designation cards, offering only their collar numbers and names. Under Section 42 of the Police Reform Act 2002, PCSOs must show their designation cards when exercising their powers or duties. This isn't a trivial detail. The card confirms both their authority and the specific powers delegated by their chief constable. Merely stating a name and number falls short of the law and raises serious questions about police transparency and accountability.
See this guy gonna start white knighting.
You guys okay? Who is flying the drone?
She was. So we're not showing designation cards, no?
I don't have to show my designation.
You don't?
cards.
You're
No,
sure
my
about that?
designation card is what I have on my car with me.
So you don't have a card there
I have
that
a
shows
designation
your.
card.
So may I see it
You already
so I can
have
see?
the shoulder number, that's
I'm not.
enough
I'm
for
speaking
you.
to her. I'm not
That's
speaking
enough
to
for
you.
Mate, can I understand why you're
Mate.
flying it? I'm a police sergeant. Can I understand why you're flying the drone? Yeah.
So who are you?
I've just identified who I am. I said
Okay.
I'm a sergeant.
Yeah, because I wanted to do it.
You wanted to fly a drone into our
Yeah.
premises.
Yeah.
Why? I just want to
Because I can do it. I wanted to have a look in there.
should look into our
Yeah.
into the police
Yeah.
station. Have you got any reason for that?
No reason, just recreation. It's a hobby.
Near police buildings.
In a police building?
Yeah. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, it's you.
Am I free to go? Yeah.
It's you that is flying the
So
drone.
you're a sergeant. Can you take my complaint? So a few of your
What's-
colleagues and that,
what's your
they put hands on me and stuff like that.
Because obviously we got
yeah,
to
no, you
understand
can't just
what's
put hands
going
on me
on.
though, can you? Look, you're in plain clothes. I didn't even know you're police.
But
Do you know what I mean? I have a right
bet-
to defend myself. What would happen if I
bet
put
she-
hands on you?
I bet she have identified herself.
Regardless, they didn't tell me I was detained. You can't just come and start putting hands on me without telling me I'm detained. So I'm not detained right now. I can go, yeah?
No, if you stand over
No,
there-
no, no. I don't need to stand nowhere.
Mate, listen.
Don't make me nothing. Call me sir for one. And if you're going to detain me, tell me I'm being detained.
The auditor's persistence in asking these questions demonstrates his understanding of his rights, something every citizen should strive for. When officers respond with silence or vague answers, it's often a red flag for misconduct or an unlawful stop.
You ain't going to put hands on me.
No, I will not be. But we would like to understand why.
You're not going to put hands on me. You don't need to understand nothing. Tell me that I'm detained under something and I'll stay. If not, then I'm not staying nowhere. So come on, someone needs to do something now, innit?
The girls are trying to call.
There's no. If you put hands on me, I'm going to push you out the way.
I haven't put my
If
hands
if
on
you try and
I
stop me
have
from
nothing
leaving, I'm
in
going
my
to push you out the
hand.
way. If you put hands on me, I'm going to push you out the way as well. I'm just telling you preemptively. If anyone puts hands on me, you're going to get put off me. Do you understand?
Right, I do not.
Yeah?
I do not want to escalate.
All right, good. So don't stand in my way. No. If you put hands on me,
Hold on a
hold on.
second.
So what's going on? No. If you put hands on me, get your hand off me. Get your hand off me.
listen,
Get your hand off me.
Call
Get your hand off me.
officer on your radio. Can you use it?
Look at all this.
Officer on the radio.
Don't put hands on me.
Can I
Don't put hands on me.
understand?
You don't have to understand
He
nothing.
was flying a drone over.
Right.
Don't
You
put hands on me.
cannot just
Don't put
fly a
hands on me.
drone.
Yeah,
I
I can
want
fly
to
a drone.
understand. Listen. Okay, I'm detaining you. Can I understand? Why are you
You don't need to
flying
understand
drone
anything.
that's
What are you
going
expected
into-
to find? You've just searched me under section 1 of PACE. What are you expected to find?
Where's the drone that you have?
It's none of your business.
So, because this is the police premises, can I have your radio? One of you, can I have your radio? When who spoke to him before?
Am I detained or not? Are you not meant to be searching me
Mate,
right now?
who
Are you
detained-
not meant to be searching me right now?
Can I find out?
You just
who
said section
detained
1 of
you?
PACE.
Paddy Mel, with a drone at Green Police Station, who's now kicking off, caused a bit of a problem.
I haven't kicked off, done nothing, man. Just let me go, man. What the fuck is this? Let me go.
Right, can I put 1 second, please? Can you relax, please?
I'm relaxed.
Please relax.
You've got no right to be stopping me search me right now.
Because you cannot be.
So are you trying to find prohibited items? Are you
Listen,
trying to find drugs?
mate.
Are you trying to find weapons? I don't understand. Well, what are you trying to find? You're talking about section 1 of PACE, but I don't know what you're trying to find. At least let me know what are the grounds for the search and what you're expected to find. You just put grabbing me up and that, not letting me go, and now telling me section 1 of PACE. What's going on? Can you identify yourself?
You want me to?
Because you were putting hands on that on me as well.
I didn't touch you.
Well, you were.
What do you expect? You are at the back of the police station flying a drone. So what do you expect is going to happen? Can you please explain it to me? What do you expect is going to happen? That the police officers coming to duty will just walk past you and they will let you fly your drone
I would
over
hope
the
so, yeah,
police
'cause it's
station?
lawful to
Is
do
it
so.
that? Is it that
Well, it's
what you
lawful- it's
expect?
lawful to do so.
But is it that's what you expect?
is what I
Nothing's
expect.
going to happen.
That's what
Yeah.
well, I don't expect
okay,
this.
So
I
you,
certainly
so you're
don't
very much
expect.
mistaken.
I certainly don't expect
so
this.
you're very much mistaken.
I certainly don't expect this.
Well, you caused it. You caused it.
Well, I
So
asked you to put hands on me and
therefore,
surround
you
me
are
and,
in a position
and
where you
threaten to
are
search
at the
me
moment.
under section 1 of PACE. I did that, did I?
Yes,
You're the
you
one that
did.
launched with all this paranoia, all this crazy shit. Like,
Well,
we
yeah,
could've just
because
had a
you
conversation.
were flying
If you could have
from
just waited
over
for
the
some
police
comms. You
station.
could have just waited for some comms, but instead you just wanted to launch.
We stopped and said, why are you flying a drone? And you
You know what? I don't think you're in the right job. Like you're just too emotional, too crazy. Like, and now you've put him in a sticky situation. Do you know what I mean?
What's sticky situation, mate?
Because bro, you just messed up, bro. You just put hands on me, section 1 of pace. Oh, now, so what are the grounds for the search? So I'm detained now, yeah? I'm detained under section 1 of pace.
Yeah.
But no one's speaking to you,
I need to find out what's going on, please. Just
so you can't detain me to find out what's going on, Sergeant?
Listen, if you're flying a drone, what they have told me, if you have flown a drone into this premises.
But how does that suggest that I've got weapons or drugs or stolen goods on me?
I want to know
so why have you used section 1 power?
I need to.
No, answer the question. Answer the question, please. I have a right to know why you've used the section 1 power.
It's his powers. He can use the powers he wants. They're not your powers. Well, he gave you.
He didn't give me anything.
He gave you his
You just put him in a situation where he felt like he had to detain me. He couldn't think on the spot, so he's come up with section 1 of pace. What the hell is going on here? Why have none of you lot in uniform as well? Could you please stop interjecting? No, I understand, but you're familiar with section 1 of pace. You've used section 1 of pace. Is it a search power or is it a stop power?
If he feels as if he needs to use section 1 of pace,
it's not really answering the question, is it? It's not about feelings, is it? It's not about I feel like I want to use section 1 of pace.
I don't need to answer it.
Then why are you answering?
If he feels he needs to use his section 1 pace power, he can use his section 1 pace.
It's not good. It's not good for Patel, man. Like you should know better than that, bro. Come on. You know it's a search power. We all know it's a search power.
I know it's a search power.
So all right. So what's this right now?
Okay.
What's going on right now?
Detained by him. I can't justify his actions.
No, you don't have any sort of idea, any sort of opinion?
That's up to him.
I'm not asking you to justify anything. I'm just asking you. We can all agree that it's a search power.
But I have to stop you now under section 43 of the Terrorism Act.
So am I still detained under section 1?
No, you're not detained under section 1.
Okay, so I'm free to go now, yeah?
No, you're not free. But I can tell you now,
okay,
you've been detained under section 43 of the Terrorism Act 2000.
Here's where it completely unravels. After initially citing section 1 of pace, which requires reasonable suspicion of stolen property or offensive weapons, the officer abruptly changes direction. Mid-interaction, he whips out his phone and starts scrolling through section 43 of the Terrorism Act. That's right. He Googled the law before applying it. This isn't just sloppy. It's dangerous. Section 43 allows stop and search only if an officer reasonably suspects someone is a terrorist. No such ground were given here. No threat, no intelligence, just a man with a drone and a camera. That's not reasonable suspicion. That's misuse of power.
And what I'll be doing now, I will need to see that what you're videoing. I have to review it. Then if we are happy, then I can give it back to you. But at the moment, you've been detained on that section, okay?
And if I don't give it to you?
I won't have... you know what is going to happen.
What's going to happen?
Listen, mate, listen. All I want I just want us to deal with this amicably.
Well, we haven't really dealt with it very amicably. Like you've tried to, but why have you been dragged into this situation? You should have just kept it moving.
Sergeant. If anything is happening in my station,
but nothing's happening in your station.
Obviously, but
so do you think I'm a terrorist? Do you suspect I'm a terrorist right now? What does that mean? Do you suspect that I'm a terrorist? You don't know.
If you're flying
there needs to be some objective basis. No, I don't want to be handcuffed. I don't want to be handcuffed.
No,
get your hand off me.
You
all right, under duress. Get your hand off me. Under duress. I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you.
Please.
Because if not, you're going to seize it from me, yeah? So this is the one that was plugged into the controller.
Can I see the device you're using, please?
This is the drone.
This is a drone. Listen, mate.
Go on, look.
Thank you. Yeah, we have to review everything. Has anybody got a bag here?
What do you want? Evidence?
Yeah, evidence bag, please.
Why do you want evidence bag? You're going to seize it?
Yes.
You're seizing it all, yeah?
Yes. Yeah.
Why? You just said you want us to review the footage?
Yeah, that's what is it not what I said?
Yeah. Say again?
We will in our own time. Yeah.
In your own time, yeah? All right.
To sum up, flying a drone under 250G in public airspace, even near police stations, is perfectly legal. Police must have reasonable grounds and follow proper procedure to detain or search you. They are obligated to identify themselves and clearly explain their reasons. Any physical contact must be lawful and proportionate. Serious powers like those under the Terrorism Act cannot be invoked arbitrarily. This encounter raises vital questions about how police handle public interactions and where their authority truly ends, especially concerning basic freedoms like filming. Knowing your rights and challenging unlawful actions is essential. By staying informed, we hold power accountable and protect the rule of law.